Hi, it's Frank from Mann Lake. I'm here at the North American Honeybee Expo down in Louisville, Kentucky. Great show, lots of vendors, lots of great conferences to go to. I recommend this for anybody during the depths of January when you want to get out and do something. So, I'm from the northeast part of the country. What are we going to do this time of year? There's not a lot to do in our colonies other than two things basically. One, we want to go in, lift that lid once in a while, make sure we don't have a moisture issue. And secondly, we want to make sure that our bees are not running out of food. So we're going to check that colony, lift that lid, see if those bees are up top. If they're not and they're alive, we're good. If they're starting to cluster up way on top, we need to give them some feed like a fondant, a winter patty, something like that. Other than that, we're going to leave our bees alone. Well, what else do we do? Now is the perfect time to do an inventory on our equipment, decide, hey, if we're going to grow this year, we got to order more equipment, start putting it together or painting it or however we're going to order it. Maybe we're going to get it assembled, whatever. Get that inventory, get that equipment ready so it's there in spring. The big thing we want to do now is order bees. Too many people wait too late in the season and they're scrambling to find bees. Now's a great time to put in a package bee order, a nuke order, even a queen order for spring. Get that done now and out of the way so you're not worried about, oh, I can't find bees now, they're all sold out. Do it early. Before you order those bees, sit down and do a little research. Decide what bee is best for you. Again, in the Northeast climate, Italians are hardy, Carniolans are hardy, Russians are hardy. Each bee is a little bit different. The Italians, easy on the comb, gentle bees, they make a lot of honey, that's fine. But we can go all the way up to Carnies, good in winter, a little bit more to manage, a little swarmy could be, all the way up to Russians, which to me are more for experienced beekeepers. But you as an individual, take that time, do that research on each type of bee, decide what's going to work for you or what you want to try. And if you have multiple colonies, you can get some of everything. And that's the best way to figure out what bee works for you in your area. Take advantage of this downtime because we know once we get into March, April, May, we're going to be busy with our bees. It's too late to do all this. Do it now while you got the time. And when spring comes, you're going to be ready and you're off to the races. Good luck to you.